Hey there! If you want a simple, all-in-one solution to protect your documents, photos, and school projects, this 13-inch laminator machine is a fantastic choice that combines power, convenience, and versatility in one compact setup. Right away, the A3 13-inch wide format gives you the flexibility to laminate everything from small ID cards to large 11 by 17 posters. Whether you're working at home, in a classroom, or managing office documents, it handles multiple sizes effortlessly. What really makes it stand out is the complete 5-in-1 kit. You're not just getting a laminator, you also get 50 laminating sheets, a built-in paper cutter, and a corner rounder, so you can finish your projects cleanly and professionally without needing extra tools. The hot and cold lamination modes give you total control. Use thermal mode for everyday documents and photos, or switch to cold mode for heat-sensitive materials. Thanks to the dual roller system, it delivers smooth, bubble-free results with consistent pressure and heat. Another big plus is its fast warm-up time, so you're not waiting around to get started. Within about a minute or so, it's ready to go, making it perfect for quick tasks or larger batches. Designed to be easy, reliable, and beginner-friendly, it's ideal for teachers, students, small businesses, or anyone who wants durable, professional-looking results without complicated equipment. Compact yet powerful, it fits easily into your workspace while delivering consistent performance. If you're looking for a laminator that does it all, cuts, seals, and finishes your work in one go, this is a smart and practical choice. Ready to protect your documents and elevate your projects? Click the link below for the best price and get started with this all-in-one laminating solution today.